In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add strike-through text in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, strike-through text can be incredibly handy when you want to denote completed tasks or simply make a visual distinction in your notes. It's a great way to keep your Trello board organized and visually appealing. So let's dive right into the different methods of achieving this. Firstly, let's go over the first method using the formatting menu. To get started, open a Trello card and click into the description or comment field where you want to apply the strike-through. Once you've done that, type your text. If there are specific words or phrases that you want to cross out, simply click and drag your cursor to highlight them. Now, a formatting toolbar will appear just above your text box. Look for the three dots icon on that toolbar. You might also hear it referred to as the ellipsis icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you can select Strike-Through. Once you click on that, you'll see the effect applied right away to the highlighted words. Isn't that straightforward? Now let's move on to the second method, which involves using keyboard shortcuts. This is super quick and can save you some time if you're a fan of keyboard commands. Again, type your text in the description or comment field and highlight the part you'd like to format. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl-Shift-S at the same time. For those on a Mac, the shortcut is Command-Shift-S. Once you do this, voila, you'll see a neat line drawn through your selected text. It's a real game changer when you need to quickly mark things off your list. Lastly, let's talk about method 3, which utilizes markdown symbols. Now, Trello supports standard markdown text shortcuts, which is a really cool feature. For this method, you would type 2 tilde symbols, like this. Place these symbols directly before and directly after the text that you want to cross out. For example, if you wanted to strike through your text, you'd type it like this, your text. Once you either save your description or click outside of the text field, it will automatically convert into the strike-through format. This markdown method is especially handy if you're familiar with working in Markdown and just want to get tasks crossed off efficiently. And there you have it, 3 simple methods to add strike-through text in Trello, whether you prefer using the formatting menu, keyboard shortcuts, or Markdown. Now, you can keep your Trello board even more organized and clearly indicate completed tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, you can easily enhance your Trello experience with just a few clicks or keystrokes. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.